Good morning, Achieve. Today we are going to be giving you
Not one,
not two,
but 3 testing strategies. But first, we need to do the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My strategy is breathing. Yesterday in class we learned a 4-square breathing strategy. So you breathe for 4 seconds, you hold it, and then breathe out for 4 seconds and hold it for another 4 seconds to make a square. Whatever you're comfortable with, you can either sit down and do this, sit up straight and do it, or you can stand up. So it's like it's just like deep breaths.
The next testing strategy we're going to be doing is process of elimination. Process of elimination is when you know an answer is wrong, so you simply cross it out, or so you don't click it by accident and get the question wrong.
The last tip we have for you is positive mindset. So when you're taking a test, it's easy to fill your brain and get all mucky and feel like you're going to fail it or doubt yourself with all of your answers. You need to make sure that you have a positive mindset, that you are confident with all of your answers, and you know that you know what you're talking about. And just feel like you can get through this test, and just make sure that your brain is like, I can do this, I can get through this. So share with your class your favorite strategy.